Hi guys, Niall here, and today we're going to answer the main questions people have about getting the DJI Mini 2 this long after it's first released. And is this the best drone for a normal consumer to get? Let's get into it. After 112 flights and 40 kilometers traveled with the drone, I think I'm finally ready to review the DJI Mini 2. So, is the DJI Mini 2 still worth getting? My answer would be yes, as the DJI Mini 2 still has most of the features of the new Mini 3 and you can get it for a significantly cheaper price. So it can record 4K 30fps, which should be high enough quality for most people. And if it's not, consider looking at some of the other drones DJI make. I would say the main difference between the 2 and the 3 is that the 3 has a screen on the controller, whereas with the 2 you need to use your own phone. Annoying at times, but you can always keep an extra power bank around to charge it up, and for me it wasn't a big enough reason to pay the extra and upgrade to the 3. There are also some slight differences between the distance and connection of these drones. So is this the best drone a consumer can get? In my opinion, yes. But everyone has different features and things they want in a drone. Let me explain why I think this is the best option for people. First off, it comes under that 250 gram barrier, which prevents you from flying in a lot of places and also adds a lot of restrictions to how you fly. So that is something that was big for me, as the restrictions can limit where you fly, and also for the bigger drones you need a flyer's ID, which is a drone flying license. Another reason why the Mini 2 is the best drone to get is the price. For first time drone flyers and people flying for fun, this is perfect to get started, and for people looking to get some epic drone footage, this drone works really well. Another reason that this drone is perfect are the safety features. DJI has added many features to keep the drone safe. Features like return to home, which is incredibly useful, as the other day I was flying at an event and I lost connection, but I had this peace of mind that the drone would make its way home. And as soon as it was close enough, I could regain manual control. This feature is needed for flying and it is so useful. So now let's get into some features that the drone has. One thing I would like to advise when purchasing the DJI Mini 2 is to buy the combo bundle, which includes 3 batteries, so 2 more than the standard kit. And let me tell you that those 2 batteries are needed, as they only last around 25 minutes, which is a lot of time at one location. But when moving around you need the extra 2 batteries, otherwise you always have the stress of conserving battery, which is annoying. Another accessory that you need for the drone is ND filters, and these are vital because to get smooth drone footage you need specific settings and specific shutter speed, so that the image isn't jittery. When shooting in daytime, it is usually so bright that you need these filters that they darken the image so the settings can remain at their optimal point for the best footage. One thing I love about the Mini is that it is such a small package which you can take everywhere with you, and it is easy to set up and get flying. I know, as I carried this all around Switzerland and it was perfectly fine to carry. Overall, I love flying the DJI Mini 2 as it enables so many different camera angles and videos, and it's just so damn fun to fly. I have had it for around 3 months now, and within those 3 months I've been able to learn how to fly and now being able to take cinematic shots with it and try new angles and techniques to push the drone and get some amazing footage. Also, photos with the drone are incredible, and you can use some of the different shot types like 180 degrees, which creates a high quality panoramic image as it moves the drone automatically, getting multiple high quality images and then seaming them together. It also does normal high quality image using the same technique in wide angle mode, which stitches together many images and gives you crisp quality image. You can also shoot in RAW, So the photos come out real nice out of the DJI Mini 2, and it can definitely be used for professional drone photography. One last thing before I end the video, that if you're thinking about getting this drone but you're nervous and how difficult it might be to fly, don't worry, I was just in your position, and from what I can tell you, it's really easy to learn how to fly, as it just hovers if you're not sure where you're going, and it can also take off and land itself after you get it in the right position. So my advice is don't worry and go for it, as I've met some people who have literally learned how to use it properly in less than a day. Anyways, thank you for watching. Leave any questions you have about the drone or flying in general in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time. Bye.